everyone, so today I'm doing a get ready with me for our sorority's date dash, and I also partnered up with Fabfitfun in this video, so I'll get into that a little bit later on in the video once I've gotten ready. But for now, I'm just gonna have you guys get ready with me for our date dash, and the theme is like tropical, so it'll be really fun. And it's still light out because we have to be there super early. It's 3:15 right now. We have to be at check-in at 6:15, so that's why it's super early. But yeah, I thought it'd be fun to have you guys get ready with me. Some people really like these videos, so I thought I would do it again. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. I normally pin back my hair, but I can't find my headband, so I'm just gonna get started with my eyes. And I'm just gonna use the Tarte concealer to prime. I think I want to do some more colorful looks since the theme is like tropical, but I'm just gonna do like a normal brown like smoky eye and then add some purple into it. By the time you guys are watching this video, I'll literally only have like a week left of school, which is so crazy to think that I'm already halfway done with college. I feel like I just started, which is crazy because technically I did just start last year, and it goes by so fast. But I don't know, it's so bittersweet because I'm really excited for summer, like just to be back with my family and friends. And summer is my favorite time of the year, like out of all seasons. Like I thrive the most during summertime. I love it so much. I'm just the most motivated in the summertime, and I don't know, it's just a really fun time because you're not having to worry about school or anything. So I'm looking forward to that. The worst part about it all is like you're not going to see your friends every day, and obviously I'm used to seeing my friends every day because we're all roommates, so see each other every day, so it's gonna be really hard not being with them for a long time. I love this purple shadow. I got it from Makeup Forever. I bought it like a long time ago, I think probably my sophomore year in high school, and it's like one of the best like eyeshadows I own. But I bought it in purple literally because I saw Jaclyn Hill create this makeup look with it, and I was like, I want to recreate that. But this pan by itself is $25, and I bought that. I'm like, why would I do that? Like, it's purple, like it's not like it's a brown where I'm gonna use all the time. And I think I only recreated that look once or twice, and so now every time I have the opportunity to wear colorful eyeshadow, I'm like, oh, I have to use that purple because it's literally so good. I never use it again because when am I ever gonna use purple? Okay, I'm now gonna use my Anastasia Brow Wiz in chocolate. I'm also really excited for tonight because it's our last date dash of the year, and we normally have 2 a semester, and I try and go to all of them. I've been to every single one so far, and they're pretty fun. Now I'm gonna do liner. Now I'm just using the Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara by L'Oreal. Now that the lashes are on, I'm gonna move on to my face. So I always start off with the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. And then once I have that on, I'm gonna go in with the Born This Way foundation by Too Faced. So actually, before that, I'm gonna prime with the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. It just adds like a really pretty glow to the skin, and I use this like to prime literally every single time I do a full face of makeup because it just really adds a really nice luminosity to the skin. And then to double prime, I'm using the Photo Finish Smashbox Primer. And now I'm going in with the foundation. And I'm using this foundation today because my other one is almost running out of the Makeup Forever HD foundation stick, and it is lighter than my body right now because I have been tanning ever since I came back from spring break, and I have gone really dark, and this foundation is just darker than that one, so it kind of matches me better at the moment. But I will say I do prefer the Makeup Forever HD foundation stick more than the Too Faced Born This Way. I feel like the other one is more like less heavy on the skin. And right now though, I want to say that it actually is the best it's looked in a really long time. I think because I used the primer water and it just kind of like allows the makeup to melt into your skin more and kind of thins it out, I think. Okay. And then I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer for my under eyes. And another thing I wanted to say was that I'm also really excited for the summer because I'm planning on, well, my goal is to upload 2 to 3 times a week, and I know that's like a lot, but that is my goal. I feel like I haven't been, well, the past month, ever since I got back from spring break, I tried to be as consistent as possible and post every week, because normally throughout the school year I post like every other week or less than that, and I want to be able to upload as much as I can during the summertime while I have the free time to, and just really focus on my channel. So if you're not already, you should subscribe so you guys don't miss any of those videos. Mostly college and lifestyle, of course, because those are the videos you guys really like seeing, and I like helping you guys anyway, so I really like making them. And I'm just gonna bronze with MAC Gimme Sun bronzer because this is like the only time of year where I can actually use it because it's like super dark. And then I'm just gonna use the NARS blush in Orgasm. And then I'm putting on Champagne Pop highlighter and topping it with the Artist Couture highlight in Illuminati. And then I'm just gonna finish up my eyes really quickly. And then I'm gonna take the Buxom Gloss in Hot Toddy. It's my absolute favorite. And then to finish it off, I'm setting my whole face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Yeah, so that's the makeup look. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys everything I got from Fabfitfun. So like I mentioned, I partnered with Fabfitfun and they just released their spring editors box, which I'm super excited about. So they basically have a subscription box for each season. Everything is full-size products of fashion, beauty, wellness, health, and each box costs $49.99 and values everything in here for over $200 worth of product. And you guys could even get 40% off with my code Monroe40 to get 40% off your first Fabfitfun box. And it also lets you customize some of the items in your box. So I'm going to show you guys what I got in my box because each box is pretty much different. You guys should definitely sign up now so you guys don't miss out on any of your favorite products. So this is my first Fabfitfun box, and when they reached out to me, I was super excited because I've been wanting to try it for a really long time. And this is what it looks like when you first open it, and it comes with a Fabfitfun little catalog thing, and then it says a note from us, and then in the back it tells you what's in the box, and then has a description of everything. And then the first thing I got is a $50 HelloFresh gift card, which is really exciting. So I always wanted to try that too. So the first thing is this Summer and Rose. This is a place for everything. Ooh, okay, so it's like a cosmetic little casing. So that's actually really cute. I actually really like this because then I can put all of my like different jewelry or any products that I want that I have like on my desk to help keep it like organized and really cute. I think that's really pretty, and it has like gold and pink on it. I think it's cool too because every time you get your box it's like a surprise, so you don't know what's coming. And then I got a Lavito Inspired by Nature body lotion, and that's what that looks like. It looks really nice. And then I got a Hava Mud foot cream. That's nice if you want to have like a little spa night and just like relax and treat yourself. That'll be nice. And then a nail and cuticle serum, which that's gonna be super nice because I always have issues with my cuticles and I always need like something to put on them, so that'll be really good for that. And then I got a Tarte skincare drink of H2O. That's gonna be so exciting. Luckily, you guys, well, I've tried my best the past month and a half to 2 months to try and work on my skincare. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Okay, so it's a Hydro Boost, like I think I would assume moisturizer. that it comes in a full-size product. Like, that's so cool. Yeah, I could apply this to my new skincare routine. Ooh, it smells so good too. Yeah, and that's what it like looks like in there. Dang, I'm really excited to try this. Probably one of so far the most thing I'm excited for. Okay, and then a towel. Okay, cute. You get a by private party beach please towel. I think it's like a full-size towel. I probably need this anyway because I don't have any cute beach towels, so I've been needing that actually. My camera keeps dying, so before it does, I'm going to show you the last two things. So the next is an 11 by Venus like gym bag, which is super cool. You can literally just put like all of your stuff in here, which is so cool. And then re-zip it up so it's compact. So that's pretty awesome. And then the last thing is a Murad renewing eye cream, and I just looked on the back of like the what's in my box like thing, because it actually tells you all of the retail value is for each of the items in your box. And this Murad eye cream retails for $82. Like, what? That's crazy. And this whole box is $49.99, so just like this alone would be so much cheaper, and you're getting so much more stuff. And I'll just read over what everything else costs that I got. So the beach towel retails for $50, and the eye cream $82. The Venus bag $29. The Tarte Hydro Boost $39. The foot cream $29. The trinket dish was $22, and the body lotion $19. And the serum $24. So that's crazy. I'm just curious because I'm gonna just add it up. Okay, all of that totals for $294, almost $300 worth of products for $50. So I don't know about you guys, I think it's a steal. You guys definitely should sign up and use my code Monroe40 so you guys can get 40% off your first box as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and with this like get ready with me for the date dash, and also this unboxing of my first Fabfitfun box. I'm so excited. This is my first box and I'm very impressed, and definitely the most excited for the Murad eye cream and the Hydro Boost, since I said I'm trying my best to get into skincare. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys!